Here's a cool bus stop at Pilipovici with this mosaic. Again, scenes of nature, not anything propaganda, as I saw in a video about weird and wonderful Ukrainian bus stops here on YouTube. Let's see. Oh, it's also three-dimensional. I have not looked at it yet. So the flowers actually stick out. Or flowers. What's that? It looks like a tortoise, or maybe in water, a pool. Or fish here. Yes, this is also sticking out. It's not as three-dimensional as some of the bus stops I saw close to Opishnia, and towards Poltava, but pretty cool. Okay, that's it for now. Bye. So this, about 10 kilometers or so outside of Novograd-Volynski, is Zvyagel, now it's called. Bye for now.